day 2. They've already come in and ripped up all the carpet. This is literally day 2. It's 2:30. Last night was 10 o'clock when we came in and it was flooded. They've already come in, ripped up all the carpet, drilled holes. They're ashamed.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
We're moving everything into the garage. There's nothing on the... They say that this whole... Oh my gosh, look at that. That the whole bathroom and everything's got to be gutted.
Hey, the closet's clean.
Yeah? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hadn't seen this much floor in here since we moved
I
in.
know, right? Disgusting.
It's actually got a lot of room.
Yeah. Maybe if they redo it and they put shelves or something, you know, like we can get them all.
Okay, I think we're done here.
Okay. Except for clothes? Do we need to take our clothes out right now? Or late?
Yeah, that's
later?
right, we do. Yep, we do. Forgot about that.
Okay.